Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes slowly. I stretch my arms and legs. I feel a little sleepy, but I am ready to start the day. My alarm clock is small and round. It makes a soft beep. I turn it off and sit up in bed. The first thing I do is go to the kitchen. I walk down the hallway. The floor is cool under my feet. I wear warm slippers. They are soft and blue. I smile because I know what comes next. I love making coffee. It is my favorite part of the day. It helps me feel awake and happy. In my kitchen, I have a small coffee machine. It sits on the counter near the sink. The machine is red and shiny. I bought it last year at a store near my house. It still works perfectly. I clean it every week. I take good care of it. First, I fill the water tank with cold water. I use the water from my kitchen tap. The sound of water is nice. It makes me feel calm. I fill the tank slowly and carefully. Then I put a coffee pod inside the machine. The pods are small and round. They come in different flavors. Today I use the vanilla flavor. It smells sweet and soft. While the coffee machine is working, I take out my favorite mug. It is big and round. It is blue with white flowers on it. My sister gave it to me for my birthday. She knows I love coffee. Every time I use the mug, I think of her. The coffee machine makes a soft sound. Whoosh, whoosh, it says. The sound means my coffee is almost ready. I smile and wait. The smell of fresh coffee fills my kitchen. It is a warm, strong smell. I close my eyes and breathe in deeply. I feel happy. This moment is special. I enjoy it every single day. When the coffee is ready, I open the lid and take out the pod. I add a little milk. I like my coffee light. I also add 1 spoon of sugar. I do not like it too sweet. I stir it slowly with a small spoon. The spoon is silver and shiny. I always use the same spoon. I sit by my window with my coffee. The window is large. It lets in the morning light. Outside, I can see my garden. The flowers are beautiful in the morning light. They are red, yellow, and purple. I planted them last spring. Now they grow strong and tall. Birds are singing in the trees. I see a small bird with blue feathers. It flies from one tree to another. Another bird is sitting on a branch. It sings a soft song. The birds make the morning feel alive. The air is fresh. I open the window a little. A cool breeze comes inside. It touches my face. I take a sip of my coffee. It is warm and smooth. I feel calm and peaceful. This peaceful time helps me start my day with a smile. I do not look at my phone. I do not watch TV. I just sit and enjoy the moment. I think about good things. I think about my family. I think about my plans for the day. I feel ready. After I finish my coffee, I take my mug to the sink. I wash it with warm water and soap. I use a soft sponge. I dry the mug with a clean towel. I put it back in the cupboard. Everything is clean and ready for tomorrow. Then I get ready for work. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I put on my clothes. I check my bag. I make sure I have my keys, my wallet, and my phone. I put on my shoes and my jacket. I say goodbye to my home. I feel good because I had my 10 minutes with my coffee. These 10 minutes are very special to me. They are simple, but they mean a lot. They belong only to me. No one else can take them. They help me feel strong. They help me feel happy. They help me feel ready for the day. Some days the weather is rainy. I still sit by the window. I watch the rain fall on the garden. The flowers move gently in the wind. The raindrops make a soft sound. It is like music. I drink my coffee and listen. Other days, the sun shines brightly. The sky is blue and clear. The light comes into the kitchen. It makes everything look golden. My coffee looks extra warm in the light. My heart feels warm too. Sometimes I add cinnamon to my coffee, just a little. It gives the coffee a new taste. It is fun to try something different. I also try new mugs. On weekends, I use a big white mug with a cat on it. It makes me laugh. I sometimes write in a notebook while I drink my coffee. I write about my dreams. I write about my feelings. I write about my plans. The words come easily when I feel calm. The coffee helps me think clearly. My coffee routine is not just about drinking coffee. It is about peace. It is about time for myself. It is about enjoying the little things. The sound of the machine, the smell of the coffee, the feel of the mug in my hand, the light in the window. Even if I am tired, my coffee time helps. Even if I have a busy day, I stop for those 10 minutes. They make a difference. They remind me to slow down. They remind me to smile. I love coffee, but I also love the moment around it. I love the quiet. I love the feeling of home. I love the start of the day. This is my morning coffee routine. Simple, peaceful, happy, just for me.